Greetings and love, family. It's me, the tough one, tough like iron, and we're here for another edition of Roots Rock Runway, the Rascast, with the lovely queens, Brittany and Tatiana.
Hi guys,
Hello.
how are
Hi
you?
guys.
So, yeah, introduce yourself, ladies. Tell the people a little bit about who you are and how you're involved with the Roots Rock Runway movement.
Hi everybody, my name is Brittany. I'm an entrepreneur. I sell all natural lip gloss and lip balm, and I have one of my lip balms here. Let me just show you guys how it applies. Real smooth, real nice, real quick.
All right, girl.
I'm also a certified lash technician. I'm a singer, I'm a songwriter, and I just want to talk about today how involved I am and the role that I play in the Roots Rock Runway, movement. So, of course, Roots Rock Runway, we're trying to take over the world where we're just pushing the culture of Rastafari, the music, the movement, the vibes, the culture, the food, all of that. How I play a part in the Roots Rock Runway movement is I'm a model in the fashion show. I'm also an entrepreneur in the vending market, in our artisan markets. And I also assist with the project management, scheduling, behind the scenes stuff. So yeah, that's how I play a part here at Roots Rock Runway.
She's an angel. She's an angel.
Yeah.
All right. So, hey guys, my name is Tatiyana, Tati, as they call me. I wasn't supposed to get involved in the Roots Rock Runway, but I came in. I'm a dancer, and I also organize a battle competition in Montreal, Canada. So I came on in vacation from Montreal, Canada. I met Tuff here, Tuff like I I met her here, and like it clicks right away. We have the same interests in dance, at least music. She makes me discover the Rasta roots world because it's her lifestyle. So I really just followed that first, and then I realized that she maybe needed help with the managing the the artist and like the order or just the scenario of it. So I offered my help, and she accepted. I was the stage manager at Roots Rock Runway. Yeah, I helped
And
the
you
best
did
that I
something
can.
else. Hello. You did a
And I danced,
presentation
yes,
Yes,
also
true.
a
so good. It
performance
was
at
so
Roots
good,
Rock
guys.
Runway.
Yes, I made a
So good.
dance
So
performance at
Yeah.
Roots Rock
it was
Runway.
so good.
Yes, with impact from Hectic Diamonds.
Mhm.
So yeah, it was really nice, and to do like a dancing performance in a reggae roots event.
Mhm.
So it was really nice. It was really nice, and yeah, I learned a lot.
I
We love
really
you,
enjoyed
Tati.
it because we don't really have that much stuff like that.
Mhm.
Like in the roots reggae culture, I feel like there's not that much like, coordinated dance
Mhm.
groups and stuff like that. And that's one thing that I really like from dancehall culture. And we know
Mhm.
like dancehall culture come from reggae culture and it's like, it's like our bad cousin. You know what I mean? But we love our cousin, you know what I'm
Right,
saying?
Yes.
right.
So sometimes we can learn something cool from our bad cousin too. You know what I mean? So I
Mhm.
love the vibe of bringing a little dance hall element into the Roots Rock Runway, and just everybody coming together as one. Cause always really to me about reggae and dancehall, one family. And I was
Mhm.
grateful to see even Boise Roses came through to the
Yeah,
event.
Right.
true.
And to be honest, a lot of the dancehall dancers who I talk to, they have a tendency to tell me how much they actually love listening to roots reggae, and they
Mhm.
they actually personally love reggae music, which I guess I always felt like maybe they wouldn't, be into that
Right,
stuff.
right.
Mhm.
So it's good to know that we can all come together and we really are all one. I feel like there's a lot of little stuff that makes us feel divided or feel like, oh no, this kind of people over here and that kind of people over there. But I love to
Mhm.
create environments where we can, all come together and share the love and spread the joy, and you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Just big up each other. You
yeah,
know what I mean? Because
and like expose our Jamaican music
Mhm.
as a music as a multiple genre that's still here. Because to me, reggae was like introduced to me because I'm a dancehall dancer first.
Mhm.
So reggae was introduced to me like it was an era of dancehall. So it was like a roots of dancehall, but it's like to me it's like maybe we don't listen to it anymore, or
less
it's
popular,
less
kind of.
popular and
Mhm.
stuff. But no, when I came here and I just discovered her lifestyle, and when I go to to the reggae party and the reggae
Right, we
event,
go to
live
Trench
performance,
Town.
Mhm.
Trenchtown,
We link with the
Compound, High
artists.
Frequency, Skyline level,
Right.
dub club, like every live performance that I witnessed so far, uh, um, like the reggae is so alive and it's still here, and
Right,
it
right.
and so it was just really nice to
Mhm.
see both world, uh, with the art, also the
And
art
the
and the
vendors and the
crochet and
entrepreneurs
the
and stuff like
entrepreneurs
that.
and the singers, and just in one event, and yeah, the fashion designer
Mhm.
too, all in one event. It was really impressive
Right.
and inspiring too.
Yeah, we're showcasing a lot of creativity, a lot of talent at the Roots Rock Runway and Fashion Show, but we're also building community, and that's one thing that we find very important, you
Yeah,
know.
crucial.
Also, you know, just again highlighting Rastafari culture and the Rastafari people and their movement. So this is a very sacred space for us, and we're still very welcoming and inviting to everybody else, you know, who wants to hold that sacred love, you know, that we possess here at Roots Rock Runway.
And I think another part of this event that's really special to me is
Mhm.
that a lot of us are all very multi-talented, you know,
Most
and we're
definitely.
like showcasing our various talents and stepping up
Mhm.
in more than one arena. Like you're doing the modeling,
Mhm.
but you're also helping to organize, and you have your products that you're selling
Right,
there as well.
right.
So, you
And
know,
speaking about products, let's talk about my lip balm. So, guys,
it's lovely. It's so
it's called
great.
Lost in Glass. It's made with all natural ingredients.
What
So,
are some of the ingredients?
right, so shea butter, olive oil, coconut oil, and we gear it to be unscented, you know, so it's comfortable for everybody. So, yeah, this one is my shea butter turmeric lip balm. It's super moisturizing, as you can see. Let me just put it on real quick, you know,
My
show you
gosh.
guys what lips supposed to look like. So yeah, follow me on Instagram at lost.in.glass. Yeah, and also we are wearing jewelry today by my jewelry brand called Piece by Piece
See
JA. So
here,
we have
folks.
some
Folks.
bracelets and our necklaces that, you know, super
And
cute.
if you love them, you can come to the next edition of Roots Rock Runway and purchase a lovely bracelet or one of these cute turtle necklaces like I
Or
have
a lip
on,
balm.
you know?
Or a tam, you know, and come watch Tati dance.
Yes.
Or even maybe going to maybe wear some of Tough World
Gear in the
gear,
next dance video.
For
design,
sure.
fashion. This is it.
I love it.
Great
This is my
idea.
this is my
This is it.
dream. So thank you all for being a part of it, because you know it's all about fashion, music, culture, community,
Mhm.
Art, really art.
and being multi-talented.
That is
Yeah,
true.
true,
And I
because
also wanna
everyone was like, even the models,
mhm.
because I was witnessing the
Tadia.
models. Every models was
Mhm.
doing something else. Tadia is cooking.
Mhm.
Flying model, she's just
Right, the
amazing.
flying model.
She's just
She gave us an
amazing.
amazing poetic performance
Yes,
Right.
and an amazing modeling
yes.
showcase.
Yeah, and just like Tadia walking in Congo Man's designs, that was super cool with her blonde hair and her dark skin. She's so
Yes.
beautiful. So
And
that was amazing to
also,
see too
yeah, it
as
was
well.
really even Space Cat,
Space
that
Cat,
she's a
Yes.
singer
Shanique,
too.
you know, all the
Uh,
I
kids.
think we need to have
yeah.
Space Cat perform in
Most
February.
definitely.
Yes.
Space
Big up
Cat
Space
and
Cat.
Space
Flying Model
Cat.
for sure.
Trust
Big up
me.
Flying Model
Fly
too as
model, we
well.
have
Yes.
to have her back again.
And
Yes,
what I
because
also
she's just
wanna
amazing.
and what I also want to talk about is just like the community of women that we have here. Like we're like a woman team. Like we do have men, of course, around us, or male energy and
Right, and they
masculine
give us
energy,
some
but
strength and
strength, you
support that we
know,
need.
working,
Yes.
you know, working, giving us
But
that
it's
strength.
nice to be creating something
Right,
around our viewpoint and our idea, and then the man them give us the support and the
right,
strength. Like Tall Boss, he really
right,
gives
for
us a lot of
sure.
support to make
For
it
sure,
happen.
Tom
But
Boss.
it's our vision and how we would showcase something. So it's more you know, feminine. It's more like with the fashion and the modeling and stuff. I don't
Yeah.
really see like a man necessarily coming up with a concept like that, or you know.
That's true. So yeah, definitely the part that women are playing in, you know, the Roots Rock Runway Foundation and planning and organizing. Like we're three strong, beautiful women here, and we're doing it. And that's what the Roots Rock Runway
Is all
organization
about.
is all about, just
Yep.
empowerment of everybody. But definitely, I want to highlight the empowerment of women.
Right. When you empower women, you empower everyone,
Right.
because that's what women do. We care for those around us. We care
Mhm.
for the community. We're nurturing. So when you empower us,
Right.
then we get to nurture, you know, our sisters, our brothers, our
Mhm.
children, our families, our communities.
Mhm.
So that's really an important part of the the whole mission
Yeah.
of the event.
And just building a sisterhood, because normally society is pushing us just to be against each other,
True.
not together. They don't really want women to unite, because with that unity that
Because they
we
know
will
the
provide,
power.
the power
We can change the
that's gonna
world.
have.
We can, you know what I mean?
Right. So that's how Roots Rock Runway also is just, operating differently from, other organizations possibly, or other like events, our communities. So yeah, we're just trying to set ourselves apart and just, gear it around things that we love. And one of the things that we love here, is women and empowering women.
Right. And just creating a safe space
Yeah.
where women can
Express themselves through
and
fashion, through
showcase
music.
their creativity in different
Through art.
aspects.
Yeah.
And the man them too, because we're not left out the man them.
No,
I don't
most
want it to be like
definitely
one
not
of
leaving
those
out the
things.
man
So
them.
my thing will always be about trying to bring a balance.
balance.
When we have the
Balance,
artists,
balance.
you know what I'm saying? Them
Yeah.
can't get me off, no. Because guess what? We're gonna have queens and kings like in a balanced number. I don't want it to be a show where it's just 5 women performing. No, I want to see the kings them too. So I don't think it should just be like one way or the other. I think it's like about us coming together in a, love and unity, like in a balance. So look out for more kings and more queens.
Uniting at Roots Rock Runway.
February 26th, the next edition.
Talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.
See you in Frenchtown.